Summer temperatures will eventually exceed 38 degrees. For now, an early morning mist cloaks a primordial world of forests, hills, rivers, and pools. In a remote clearing, a 30-year-old Indian elephant, heavy with milk, guards her newborn calf. Only hours old, she was born under the cover of darkness. The females of the herd gather to witness her first tentative steps. They will stop at nothing to protect her. Even with their vigilance, she faces 6 months of drought, fire, and flood. And two of the most extraordinary predators, the Bengal tiger and the king cobra.